Going around the classrooms and the school as a whole, some parents and pupils were interviewed on what they think about Hansel International School. They have this to say.
My name is Abraham Zonduku. My daughter is here in Hansel International School. What can I say? Well, I think it's a good school because she's 2 years now, and from what I've seen in 2 years, the 2-year kid, from what she's doing now, I think the school is doing great. Because I was surprised, I can see her identify objects, fruits, animals correctly. I was really surprised, and she's good with her ABCD and all that. Even the 1, 2, 3s, I think she's doing well. So I think the teachers are doing a very wonderful work.
Before bringing my children to this school, we really go through other schools to know where we can put them to get what we really wanted. Actually, where they were in Port Harcourt before we came here was something good, so we needed that standard. So we went through other schools here in Yenagoa. So when we got to this place, the environment was superb. I would say that it's very conducive for the children. So I think Hansel is really doing great educationally. When we come to class activities, homework and everything.
Bola James Adeyemi, and to talk about Hansel International School. It's a year now that my kids have been in this school, and in all modesty, I'm satisfied with what I see. The development I see about my children, they are much, much better than when I brought them in newly. So I'm satisfied. And I think the school is doing a great job. And I still encourage them to keep doing it, because if you still check around, there are areas that you need to improve on. Thank you.
My name is Jeffrey Hamilton. I am in Magnolia 3. I love Hansel International School because the environment is very clean and my teachers are my friends.
My name is Shredder Victor. I am in Magnolia 3. I like Hansel International School because they have good teachers and better facilities.
As we can see, even the proprietors, parents and pupils can justify that Hansel International School is the best school in town. I am Avila Phillips, reporting for HISTV.